Welcome to the installation video for the GoGravel Headlight Protector for the liquid-cooled 1200 and 1250 GS. For this installation you will need an M7 socket, M4 and M5 hex driver, as well as a T30 Torx driver. Some masking tape will also help with the installation. There are 4 lenses supplied, 2 for each side of the headlight protector. For each side there is an orange and clear lens, and they are exactly the same in size. Prepare the lenses by peeling off the protective film on both sides. Place the frame on a soft flat surface with the mounting wings facing upwards. Now insert the small lens, ensuring that the cutouts line up for where the bolts will go. Now use some masking tape to temporarily hold the lens in place. Fasten the lens to the frame using the supplied hardware. Repeat the process for the other side of the frame. Now unscrew the mounting bolts from the arms. Note that the flat side of the frame is the bottom side. The little wings on the arms are also on the bottom. With the arms on the inside of the frame, use the bolt with the washer to fasten them onto the frame. Use the Torx driver to remove the bolts on the left and right hand side next to the indicators. From the front of the motorcycle, push the headlight protector assembly in place. While supporting the headlight, use the supplied bolt and the hex driver to tighten the arm in place. Do this for both the left and the right hand side.